I have a Kenwood Dishwasher KDW60X10. It is not heating fully, warmish but no longer up to full heat. How do I replace the heating element?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Have you tested the heater to make sure it is the heater at fault? As on these dishwashers, there is a thermostat screwed to the underside of the tub that can fail and cause this fault. Do you have a multimeter to test the heater and thermostat? Regards.
Yes, I do. I will test tomorrow and check. I presume I am looking for circuit continuity across the contacts of each.
Hi, okay, what you need to do is pull the dishwasher out and remove the right-hand side panel and then remove the metal panel on the back at the bottom. From there, locate the heater. It's a flow-through heater on this, so it will sit under the tank and it will have 2 wires on it. Copy and paste the link below to see what the heater looks like. http://www.4kenwood.co.uk/dishwasher flow-through heater/product.pl. PID equals 1934956 and query equals KDW60X10. Test the heater for continuity. It should read about 28 ohms. If faulty, then you can replace it from there. If the heater is fine, then look near the heater on the underside of the tank and there will be a thermostat screwed to the metal tank. Test this for continuity and if faulty, that it will need to be replaced. Check them and see what you find. As on these dishwasher, it's usually the thermostat rather than the heater that causes this fault. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Thank you. I have only found the time to do this today, Saturday. On the heater, I presume I am testing across the 2 thick wires at either end. I have good continuity across them. There is nothing screwed to the underside of the tank. However, on one side of the heater the piping has a small junction off it and a plastic fitting with a couple of contacts attached. One of the wires goes to the heater. I am assuming this is the thermostat. I have tested across the 2 contacts. There is no circuit whatsoever. So looks like the thermostat?
Hi, when you tested the heater, did you remove the wiring block on it and just test the tags on the heater only? If not, then that's what you need to do. Otherwise, if you do it with the wires on still, you will be picking up a reading from another part of the dishwasher. So if with the wires disconnected you don't get a reading, then the heater chamber will need to be replaced. Regards.
Yes, I did remove the blocks on the top so the heater was isolated. It was okay. So assuming it is thermostat, if that is what is, see my previous note.
Hi, okay, just want to double check, that's all. As to the part you mean, if you copy and paste the link below, is this the part you mean? http://www.buyspares.co.uk/pressure switch/product.pl. PID equals 1906627 and query equals KDW60X10. Regards.
Ahaya. Oops. So where's the thermostat? I dug around with a torch and could find nothing resembling one on the base that I could see. If the machine is on its front and I am looking into the base, where would I find the thermostat? Center, top left, etc. Are there any parts diagrams available that would help me locate it?
Hi, I've had a look round and there doesn't seem to be a parts diagram on this. Kenwood isn't the best company for putting things like this up as they don't really do much in the white goods section. So the dishwashers they use a Chinese-built dishwasher which don't have much service info on them. But looking on the parts list I use, it isn't actually showing a thermostat now, so I may have put the wrong details in at first. So if the heater is fine, then remove the outer door panel and check the wires in the door loom. Check for any broken wires, so give them a tug one at a time. If that's okay, then it's possibly either the control board or it can be that pressure sensor you see in the hose with the wire going to the heater. Try and remove that hose and give the sensor in there a clean and see if this makes a difference in there. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.